Hello, Mr. Murayama. This is one of first of two videos. So you bought 2 slots and you sent in 2 watches. This is the first one. This one had been serviced here previously. And you said you dropped it and the day wheel jumped. It just spun on its stir wheel inside there. I can fix that. That's not a problem. I don't, because of my poor record keeping, I actually don't know how long ago it was that I serviced this watch. It's beautiful though. Beautiful piece. A perfect dial. Perfect dial. But anyway, I'm curious, so I'm gonna look. We're gonna see. Whoa, that back does not want to come off. I think I got it to move. Let's do it properly. Okay, there we go. I just want to see what I said in the case back. Maybe I've got a date. I should. I dated everything. Oh yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Look at that. And there's my mark. So I made a point of, this is my old mark. June 2016. And one of the old LA Service Center marks. I love seeing stuff like that. 2016, it's been 8 years. Definitely time for a service. Because I'm going to have to go in there anyway. Cool. Well, I think that's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's going to be just a service. I don't see anything funky in there. Yeah, that's my old mark. Come on, let's go. Come on, there we go. Come on, keep going. Did I turn you off? Oh yeah, I turned the chronograph off. Snaps right to 0. Starts right up again. I think it should be just a service. I mean, I think that's it. It's going to be, I mean, the only other thing is that when I did this watch, I did not have my, my upper mainspring arbor jewels. And I do now. So we could certainly do that as an upgrade, which would be helpful. But that's it. I think it's straightforward.